All right, real quick, I'm going to do number 12 for you. We're going to use these properties. So the first property that you should do here is that subtraction turns into division, okay? So before we do all that, the first thing I like to do is anything that multiplies in front of the log turns into the exponent. So I'm going to rewrite this first. So it's going to turn into log base 10 x to the third. Then we got minus. Now this guy here is 2 times log, so the 2 goes to the y. So it's going to be minus log base 10y to the second. And then there's nothing over here, so it's just going to be minus log z. All right, so now let's turn all this stuff into the proper condensing. So what we have here is this is going to turn into division. So we have log x to the third divided by, let's do that again. Log x to the third, and then x third gets divided by y to the second, okay? And then we're going to divide again. So this guy divides, so we're going to put it underneath because he's dividing x to the third. So we're going to put it underneath x to the third. So again, the z, since it's still dividing, goes in the dividing spot. So this would be your final answer. Again, your question was, this negative divides the y to the bottom. And since this is dividing 2, the z goes to the bottom as well, because this is the dividing spot here. Good luck.